Hey there, welcome back in dot programming language video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial, we're going to discuss how to run dot program in our local machine, and we'll discuss about IDs or text editor. So first of all, you have to install Visual Studio Code or VS Code, you can say, in your system. If you have already, it's good. Otherwise, just go and install VS Code in your local machine. It's very easy. Just download, install, next, and I agree. That's it. Same for Linux or Windows also. And here I create a folder on my desktop, and I open in my VS Code. One more thing, just go to your extensions and search here dot. You'll find dot extension, the dot code developer is here. I already installed, and it's a dot language support extension for our VS Code. So just install this extension, and now I'm going to create one file. The name is, let's say, playground dot. This dot is the extension. Like if you are using Python, there's a py.py, in php.php, and other like languages you can you use the extension. Here in the dot, the extension is dot. Now I create this dot playground file here. Start main, and you see it's generate some bunch of code. I'm going to remove this one here, print, and hello world, semicolon, save. Now we write our code, or we write this print command. Now we want to run it. Just go to your terminal. Here we are inside a dot folder. If you're not inside a dot folder, just check your current directory, and you have a file of the playground dot. I'm going to clear. Okay, next thing, we have to run this playground dot file. And one more thing, if you are not using VS Code, if you want to use like Sublime Text, Notepad++, or any text editor where is not the option terminal available, just open your terminal, access your current directory or folder where is your playground is available, and you can run also from there. And I'm going to run dot playground dot. Hit enter. Now you can see here the output, hello world. If I type here 2 plus 2, save, again run the command, give me output 4. So it's very easy and pretty, and the same thing you can practice even online here, which we discussed before. So that's for this video tutorial, and in this video tutorial we discuss how to create our playground, and how we can run our dot code in our local machine. And from next video tutorial we'll discuss about the fundamentals.